In this video, we're showcasing the 4 best electric fireplaces for 2025. Whether you're looking to add warmth or style to your home, these top-rated models will provide the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 4. Xbeauty US Electric Fireplace Stove. The Xbeauty Electric Fireplace Stove is an amazing freestanding heater designed to provide warmth and create a cozy atmosphere in any room. This electric stove is ideal for smaller living spaces, offering an efficient heat output without taking up too much space. With its stylish, classic design, it will complement virtually any home decor. One of the standout features of the Xbeauty Electric Fireplace Stove is its 3-sided view design. This allows you to enjoy the beautiful and realistic flame effect from multiple angles, creating a mesmerizing and inviting ambiance in your home. The lifelike flame effect truly enhances the atmosphere, making it feel just like a real fire, without the risk and hassle. For your convenience, the stove comes with an easy-to-use control center where you can adjust the flame intensity and control the temperature. The air vents are located at the bottom, allowing hot air to rise evenly throughout the room for a comfortable and soothing heat. The Xbeauty Electric Fireplace Stove offers 2 heating modes, 1000 watts and 1500 watts, with a heating area of up to 400 square feet. Whether you need a little extra warmth or full heating, this stove has you covered. The overheating protection system automatically shuts off the stove when it reaches a critical temperature, ensuring safety for you and your family. Weighing just 17.6 pounds, and with compact dimensions of 23.6 inches in length, 12.6 inches in width, and 22.5 inches in height, this electric stove is extremely portable. Number 3. HAOYUNMA Electric Fireplace Stove Heater. The HAOYUNMA Electric Fireplace Stove Heater stands out with its stunning retro design, crafted from durable black cast iron. It measures 23.5 inches in length, 10.7 inches in width, and 24.3 inches in height, and weighs just 33.18 pounds, making it easy to move around your home. One of the most impressive features of this electric stove is its realistic flame effect. The curved LED screen creates a 3D effect, making the flames appear incredibly lifelike. You can choose from 5 flame colors and 4 log bed colors with 16 different combinations available, allowing you to customize the ambiance to suit your mood. The remote control, included with the fireplace, makes it incredibly easy to operate from the comfort of your couch or bed. With simple controls, even the elderly can quickly adjust the settings. If you prefer, there is also a touch light panel on the unit for manual control. Safety is always a top priority, and this electric stove features improved air outlet design to prevent overheating on the floor or carpet. Additionally, the automatic power-off function ensures that if the unit is knocked over, it will immediately cut the power, providing peace of mind. For efficiency, the HAOYUNMA Electric Fireplace Stove Heater can heat a space of up to 1,000 square feet in just 10 minutes using its high-power heating mode. With 5 wind speeds and adjustable brightness, you can choose the perfect settings for both comfort and energy conservation. Number 2. DUTRIEUX Portable Fireplace Heater. The DUTRIEUX Portable Fireplace Heater is an electric stove designed with both style and functionality in mind. Featuring a classic retro vintage design inspired by medieval church gates, this fireplace brings a touch of historical charm to your home. Measuring just 23.46 inches in length, 10.67 inches in width, and 24.25 inches in height, the DUTRIEUX Portable Fireplace Heater is compact and lightweight, weighing only 33 pounds, making it easy for any adult to move. This portability makes it perfect for various spaces, whether it's in your office, restaurant, or living room. One of the standout features of this fireplace is its realistic flame effect. The 3D flame technology creates a stunning visual experience, with the flames appearing more realistic than actual fire. The combination of the bright flames and log effect creates an inviting and cozy atmosphere in any room. With 12 flame colors and 12 flame bed colors to choose from, you can customize the appearance of your fireplace to suit your mood. The DUTRIEUX portable fireplace heater also offers two adjustable heating modes, 500 watts and 1500 watts. In high power mode, it can heat up to 1,000 square feet in just 10 minutes. The unit features an adjustable thermostat, allowing you to set the temperature between 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 99 degrees Fahrenheit. Safety is a top priority with the DUTRIEUX portable fireplace heater. It comes equipped with an overheat protection system that automatically shuts off the heater when it reaches a critical temperature, preventing accident. Number 1. Duraflame Electric Fireplace. The Duraflame Electric Fireplace is a freestanding stove heater that delivers infrared heat, making it perfect for heating up to 1,000 square feet. This compact and portable unit allows you to bring warmth wherever you need it. With its classic navy color, it adds a charming touch to any room. The design includes side viewing windows, a glass door that opens, and a brick-style back panel, giving it an authentic fireplace look. Whether you're in the living room, office, or bedroom, this versatile heater provides warmth in the spaces that need it most. It's the perfect solution for saving energy and providing supplemental heat without warming up your entire home. One of the standout features of the Duraflame electric fireplace is its realistic 3D flame effect. The glowing logs and flames create a cozy, cabin-like ambiance, perfect for relaxing after a long day. You can adjust the brightness levels of the flames, making it ideal for any occasion, whether you want a soothing glow while sipping tea or a nightlight for a peaceful sleep. What's more, the Duraflame electric fireplace offers independent flame and heat controls. This means you can enjoy the beautiful flame effect even when the heat is turned off, making it a year-round addition to your home. In the warmer months, you can still enjoy the glow without worrying about the heat. This portable heater is a money-saving solution. Rather than heating your entire home, you can lower the thermostat and use the Duraflame electric fireplace as a supplemental heat source. And there you have it, the 4 best electric fireplaces for 2025. With these choices, you'll be ready to enjoy cozy warmth all year round. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more home essentials and reviews. Stay warm.